हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सिटी सॉल्यूशंस। मैं हूं आपका अपना अकेला मैम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। अंडर लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड लर्न इज जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एन लीनियर इक्वेशन। जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ अ लीनियर इक्वेशन हम लोग ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0। हियर a cannot be equal to 0, b cannot be equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Now very simple है, जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ द इक्वेशन इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम 1 मार्क्स के लिए पूछ सकते हैं। तो ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0। अब बात है कि उन्होंने बोला है लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। टू वेरिएबल्स क्या है इसमें? one is x and one is y. These two we will call it as variables. Okay. अभी इधर बोला है a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. Why a cannot be equal to 0? Suppose a b 0, then क्या होगा? अगर a 0 है तो हम लोग इसको निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा? It will be remaining with by plus c. तो by plus c is the linear equations in one variable. That is the reason a cannot be equal to 0. सपोज y b cannot be equal to 0, अगर b इसमें 0 हो जाएगा, b इज इक्वल टू 0 होगा, b y दोनों टर्म 0 होगा, then remaining will be ax plus c. So it will be again a linear equation with one variable. Linear equations in two variables नहीं होगा, that is the reason. और a b c और real numbers, real numbers क्या हो सकता है? Real numbers can be any numbers, either it can be a fraction, it can be a whole number, it can be a natural number, it can be a decimals. All numbers together we will call it as real numbers. नेक्स्ट जो एक्टिविटी हमारा टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया गया है वो है पेज नंबर 1 में। आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन द टेबल इन द बोर्ड, सो कंसंट्रेट। दिया गया है कि लीनियर इक्वेशंस हैज़ बीन गिवन, यू हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट कि ये दो इक्वेशन दिया है वो लीनियर इक्वेशन है या नहीं। तो लीनियर मतलब क्या है? इधर आप लोग देख सकते हो लीनियर लिखा है। ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लीनियर? हियर यू कैन सी लाइन इज देयर। लाइन मीन्स when we represent these equations in a graph, we will always get a straight line. That is the reason we will mention this one. Line मतलब क्या है? Straight line है. That is the reason we have named it as a linear equations. Now let us see how the given equation is linear or not. Now 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Simple. Is it of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Yes, it is of the form. So ये equation है linear equation. So we can write, yes, this is the linear equation. Fine. After that 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. इधर degree of the variable मतलब power और index of the variable कितना है? इधर 2 दिया है। ओके, पर जो हमने जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ द लीनियर इक्वेशन देखा है ax प्लस by, उसमें डिग्री क्या है? 1 है। So here degree of the variable is 2. That is the reason this is not an linear equation. Next one, square root of 2x minus square root of 5y is equal to 16. एक्चुअली आप लोग इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होंगे बिकॉज स्क्वायर रूट दिया है, पर एक चीज़ क्लियर है, हमें देखना है डिग्री ऑफ द वेरिएबल नॉट द कांस्टेंट। स्क्वायर रूट किसको है? इधर स्क्वायर रूट है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 को और स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 को। y के ऊपर नहीं है, x के ऊपर नहीं है, सो दे आर द वेरिएबल। सो इसका डिग्री कितना है? 1 है। सो दिस कैन बी अ लीनियर इक्वेशन। Now 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. 0x है, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड अगर ये 0x है तो ये टर्म 0 होगा, तो ये क्या बचेगा? लीनियर इक्वेशन विद वन वेरिएबल। हमें इधर क्या पूछा है? लीनियर इक्वेशन विद 2 वेरिएबल्स, सो दिस इज नॉट एन अ लीनियर इक्वेशन। नेक्स्ट वन 0.3x plus 0y, सेम लाइक द प्रीवियस वन। इसमें भी अगर 0y है सो देन इट विल बी लीनियर इक्वेशन विद वन वेरिएबल। So this is also not linear equation with 2 variables. अभी next one 4 upon x plus 5 upon y. अभी इसको मैं कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकती हूँ? टू ब्रिंग ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So ये क्या होगा? 4x है, I'll take into numerator. So क्या होगा? 4x minus 1 plus 5y minus 1 minus 8. Okay, because I taken जो x in the denominator, okay, it will be 4, डिनोमिनेटर एंड y also in the denominator. तो क्या होगा, degree became negative. But if the degree of the variable is negative, then it cannot be considered as a linear equation with two variables. So this is also, I can tell that this is a not a linear equation. And the last one, 4xy minus 5y minus 8. Observe the degree of xy. x का डिग्री 1 है, y का डिग्री 1 है, मिला के कितना हो गया, highest degree it will be a 2. So again this one cannot be a linear equation. So only two equations we got as a linear equations. Now in the next page it has been given the simultaneous equations. What do you mean by simultaneous equation? Simultaneous मतलब क्या होता है, similar. Okay, so if we think two equations of the same type, then we will call it as a simultaneous equations. Very easy है. We will solve practice at 1.1 so that हमें बहुत अच्छे से और क्लियरली समझ में आएगा. प्रैक्टिस एट 1.1 में आपका पहला क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, यू शुड कंप्लीट द एक्टिविटी. ओके, बॉक्स में दिया गया है, तो टाइम ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए करके मैंने ऑलरेडी लिखा है. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. See, two equation has been given, simultaneous equation or a similar equations. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Two things you will always concentrate while solving the simultaneous equation is equation of the same pair. Equation same pair है कि नहीं वो देखेंगे. And the second one, opposite signs. It should be a opposite sign. Opposite sign रहेगा तो हमें easily solve करने के लिए आसान पड़ेगा. Okay. Now here we can see the opposite sign, so nothing to change. Everything they have given. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. You have to add the equation. Okay, I will be adding 5 plus 2, it will become 7, and this both will get cancelled. 9 plus 12, it will be 21. So x is equal to 21 divided by 7, x is equal to 3. Now this 3 I have to substitute in the equation. 5 into 3, okay, 5 into 3 how much it will be? 15. Okay, 15. 9 minus 15, it will be 6, but bigger number sign, so it will be minus 6. So minus 6 upon 3 you will get minus 2. So solution of the equation is x we got 3 and y is minus 2. Okay, simple, very simple equation. First sum in the practice set 2.1 is given this one. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, a plus 5b is equal to 22. मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला है, तुम लोग को देखना है whether the given equation is same pair, या same pair है क्योंकि 5b है. साइन क्या है, opposite नहीं है. So हमारा मेन मोटो है या मेन स्टेप है कि we should change the sign. So let this one will be equation number 1, this to be equation number 2. Okay, we will have to put a opposite sign. That means to put opposite what we will do, we can do subtract. Okay, subtract. अगर इसको subtract करेंगे क्या होगा, subtract में क्या होता है, this sign will change, minus, minus and minus. Simple. Okay, 3a minus 2 you will get 2a. Okay, plus b minus b will cancel. 26 minus 22 you will get 4. So a is equal to 4 divided by 2. A is equal to 2. Simple. Now substitute a equal to 2 in equation, any equation you can substitute. ऐसा नहीं है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इक्वेशन 1 में करूँगी या इक्वेशन 2 में करूँगी. नो, यू कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट एनी इक्वेशन. सो इक्वेशन 1, सो 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. 3 into a means 2 plus 5b is equal to 26. You will get 3 2s are 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. 5b is equal to 26. 6 I am bringing right hand side. Okay, sign will change. 5b is equal to 26 minus 6 is will be 20. b is equal to 20 divided by 5. b is equal to 4. So we got two solution of the equation, that is a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Okay, therefore 2, 4 are the solutions of the equation. Simple, very simple sum, nothing to do more. Let us now move to the second sum. X plus 7y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is your equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. Observe the equation my dear students. इसमें देखने से क्या मिलेगा? Is it of same type? No. You should make them as a same pair. Opposite signs तो दिख रहे हैं हम लोग को, ठीक है? So what we can do to do same pair? तो इसको करने के लिए हमें क्या कर सकते हैं? एक ऑप्शन है and no, you have two chances. The first one, see you have two options. The first one, you will multiply this one by 3, okay? If you multiply equation 1 by 3, you will get 3x, okay? 3x means you can subtract. Otherwise, you can multiply this equation by 2, 2 7s are 14, this equation by 7, this one also will become 14. Then if you add any one thing you can go, so I will go for the first one, multiply equation 1 by 3. So what you will get? Okay, 3 into x, 3x plus 3 7s are 21y, 3 10s are 30. Okay, and the second equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. What we can do? We can subtract. Okay, subtract. If you subtract, the sign of course it will change, minus plus minus. You will get 3x both will get cancelled. 21 and plus 2y, it will be 23y. Here 30, okay, minus 7, you will get 23. So y is equal to 23 divided by 23, y is equal to 1. Now you can substitute this value in any of the equation. Let me substitute this one, equation number 1. Substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1. So you will get x plus 7y is equal to 10 and y you will substitute the x is equal to 7, x plus 7, y means 1 is equal to 10, x is equal to 10. This 7 into 1, it will be 7 only. So 7 will go bring that side, 10 minus 7, x is equal to 3. Simple. So you got two solutions. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 is the solutions. Always write in a order, that x should come first and y will be later. So is the solutions of the equation. Next sum, that is the third sum. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, 2x plus y is equal to 13. Is it of the same pair? Yes, 2x or 2x है. But the opposite signs, 2x किस पास क्या है? You have a same sign, so we need a opposite sign. So equation number 1, equation number 2, what we can do? We can subtract, okay? While subtracting, you know that, let me write the subtract inside, okay? Subtract. Now what will happen? Sign will change, minus, minus and minus. What you will get? 2x will get cancelled, minus y, minus 3y, you will get minus 4y is equal to, here minus 13 is there, minus 13 and the 9. So answer will be minus 4 because bigger number sign. Now this both will get, that means minus 4, your answer will be 1. Okay, simple. Substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, any of the equation you can substitute, it's up to you. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3, y means what we have got? 1 equal to 9, minus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 9, you will get 2x is equal to 9, minus 3, if you bring this side, 9 plus 3, it is 2x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 12 divided by 2, x is equal to 6. So we got two solutions of the equation 6 and 1. Therefore, 6, 1 are the solutions of the equation. Our next question, that is fourth question. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19 and m minus 6n is equal to 7, minus 7. This one I will take it as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. Now, again you have to concentrate that whether the given equations are same pair. No, because here 3n, here 6n and here 5m and m. So So we have to make them a same pair. I have two options. Equation number 2 I can multiply by 5, then I can subtract. Otherwise I can multiply equation number 1 by 6, it will become 6 3s are 18. Here I can multiply by 3, then also it will become 18. So I will go for the first option, multiply equation 2 by 5. Okay, so what we will get now, 5 into m, 5m minus 5 6 are 30n is equal to 5 7s are minus 35. Let this be equation number 3. After that we have left with 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. That is our equation number 1. You can, if you want, you can write that one as equation number 1. Now we can subtract. Okay, I will write here subtract, because why I have to subtract? 5m to get cancelled, we have to subtract. The sign will change, minus, plus and minus. So the answer, this both will get cancelled. Minus 30n plus 3n. So what you will get? Minus 27n. Here minus 35 minus 19. 9 plus 5 14, and it will be minus 54. N is equal to minus 27. Okay, n is equal to minus 54 and minus 27. Minus minus will get cancelled, that is 27 1s are 27 2s are. So you will get n is equal to 2. Simple. Here only thing is your variable is different, not x y, they have taken m and n. The methods are same. Now substitute n equal to 2 in any equation, you can substitute. In equation 1, what I will get? 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. So what will happen? In place of n I will substitute 2. So it will become 5m minus 3 into 2 is equal to 19. 5m minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 19. 5m is equal to 6, will bring right hand side, 9 plus 6, that is 5m is equal to 25, and m is equal to 25 divided by 5, m is equal to 5. We got finally two solutions of the equation, my dear students, that is 5 and 2 are the solutions of the equation. Solutions of the equation. Our next sum is fifth one, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 and x plus 5y is equal to 4. This is a simple sum, equation number 1, equation number 2. You always follow the same step. You will look for the same pair and the opposite sign. Same pair is there? No. Okay. So here it is 5x and here it is x. So our first thing is we should do or make it as a same pair. तो हमें क्या करना है? Multiply equation number 2 by 5. So you will get 5 into x, 5x plus 5 5s are 25y. Okay, 5 4s are 20. Simple. After that, if you want, give equation number 3. Then equation number 1, please take. It will be 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. This is your equation number 1. Now you know what we have to do. We have to subtract. Subtract means sign will change, minus, minus. When it is minus, it will become plus. 5x will get cancelled, 25 and 2. Here one is plus, one is negative, then definitely it will get subtracted. 25 minus 2, 23 y होगा. और 20 minus here see minus 3 हमने change किया plus 3, so it will become 23. So y is equal to 23 divided by 23, which is nothing but 1. Y is equal to 1. Now what we have to do is to substitute. Substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 1, 2 as you wish. It is not that whatever I have taken, same thing you have to take. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. We'll put y is equal to 1. 5x plus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 3. 5x plus 2 1s are 2 is equal to minus 3. 5x minus 3 is there, 2 I will bring to the right hand side, it will become minus 2. So 5x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 upon 5, which is nothing but minus 1. So you have got an answer in negative. Therefore minus 1 and 1 are the solutions of the equation. Our next sum is your sixth sum, that is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3, 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. हम क्या करते हैं, जब एक सम देखते हैं तो ही डर जाते हैं क्योंकि फ्रैक्शन में है, अरे फ्रैक्शन में है तो पक्का ये सम टफ रहेगा. बट नॉट टू वरी, अभी तक जो तुम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया ना वो तो सेम स्टेप ही फॉलो करने, एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप है बट सिंपल. व्हेन आई एम हियर नॉट टू फियर. ओके, दिस वन will be take it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. तुम लोगों को देखना है कॉमन क्या है इसमें. 3 is common, yes. Here 4 is common. अगर मैं 3 को निकालेगी इधर से then only I will get a quadratic equation. Okay, sorry, then only I will get a linear equation. इधर 4 को निकालेगी then only I will get a linear equation, simple linear equation. So we'll do that one. Multiply equation 1 by 3, okay, and equation 2 by 4. Simple. equation 3 को multiply किया है इधर equation 1 को, what will get? X plus 3y is equal to 10. Okay, let this equation be equation number 3, and the next one you have to multiply this one by 4. 4 2s are 8x plus y is equal to 11 because 4 and 4 will get cancelled and you multiply. This will be equation number 4. Now we have to get back to the same step. अभी तक जो भी सम्स हमने सॉल्व किया उसमें हमने क्या देखा है, we have to see for whether the equations are same pair and the opposite sign. Is this are same pair? No. x है 8x है, मेरे पास 2 ऑप्शन है. Either I can multiply this by 8 then I subtract, otherwise I will multiply by this by 3 and I can subtract. Anything I can do. Okay, so let me do this one. Equation 3 multiply by 8. So what you will get? 8x plus 8 3s are 24y and 8 10s are 80. And what is our equation here? 8x plus y is equal to 11. We will write subtract. Okay, subtract means you know the sign will change, so minus minus minus. So you will get 8x will get cancelled, 24 minus y 23y, 80 minus 11 it will be 69. So y is equal to 69 divided by 23, that is y is equal to 23 1s are 23 3s are. You get 3. Now substitute this one in any of the equation. As it is in a fraction form which we have converted, from there only we can substitute. Substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 3. Okay, I substituted here. X plus 3y is equal to 10. X plus 3 into y means 3 is equal to 10. X plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 9. X is equal to 1. So we got the solution of the equation. Therefore 1 or y what we have got? We got 3. 3 are the solutions of the equation. देखा कितना सिंपल है. Even though it is given in a fraction form, we solve like this. Sum, that is 7th sum. 99x plus 101 y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99 y is equal to 501. इस क्वेश्चन को गौर से देखो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्या समझ में आएगा. हियर इफ यू ऑब्जर्व यू कैन सी द कोएफिशिएंट्स हैज बीन इंटरचेंज्ड. दैट मीन्स 99x इधर है, वो 99y के साथ है. ओके, हियर 101y है, वो x के साथ है. दैट मीन्स कोएफिशिएंट हैज बीन इंटरचेंज्ड ओवर हियर. सो योर एक्सरसाइज 7th क्वेश्चन एंड 8th क्वेश्चन आर सेम. ओके, कोएफिशिएंट हैज बीन इंटरचेंज्ड. बिगर नंबर देख के डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बहुत ही सिंपल है, तुम लोग आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू फॉलो 2 स्टेप्स. व्हाट आर द 2 स्टेप्स? व्हेनेवर यू विल गेट, जैसे कोएफिशिएंट्स आर इंटरचेंज होगा, तुम लोग को दिमाग में आना चाहिए एडिंग. okay, adding both the equation you will get one new equation. Then subtracting, okay, then you will get another equation. So the first equation and second equation if you solve, you will easily get x and y. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Now we will take this as equation number 1, equation number 2, simple adding, okay, adding what I will get, okay, 99 plus 101x, that is 200x, plus here 200y is equal to, here I will get 1000. Fine. Now I have to simplify this one, so what I will do, simplify करने के divide by 200, तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे, x plus y is equal to divided by 200, I will get 5. So this will be your equation number 3. Simple. इसके बाद क्या करना है, you have to subtract, okay. Again I will write 99x plus 101y is equal to, okay, when you are, okay, now what you have to do, we have to subtract. So when you are subtracting 101x plus 99y is equal to 501, bigger number ऊपर लिया मैंने, anything can go. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. You know that while subtracting you will change the sign, minus, 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 okay. So you will get 101 minus 99, that is 2x. Here you will get 2y, and here is equal to 501 minus 499, you will get 2. So divide by 2, you got as new equation, x minus y is equal to 1. Simple. You got two equation. As I already told, 2 steps you have to follow. Adding, subtracting, you got new equation 3 and 4. Now if you observe, you got a equation of same pair, x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. क्या करना है हमें? You have to add these equations. Adding equation 3 and 4, what you will get? X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. y will get cancel, you will get 2x is equal to 6, and nothing but x is equal to 6 by 2, x is equal to 3. Substitute in any equation. Substitute in equation 3 or 4, okay, 3. X plus y is equal to 5. This is our equation number 3, okay. So x is equal to 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5, 3 I will bring right hand side, 5 minus 3, y is equal to 2. So we got x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So solutions of the equation. Therefore 3, 2 are the solutions, okay. Solutions of the equation are the solutions of the equation. Simple. So I have already told you your 8th sum is same like the 7th sum. The coefficient has been interchanged, 49x, 49y, 57y, 57x. So you will follow the same step. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Hope you remember what I told in the last sum. What we have to do, our first step is adding and the second step is subtracting. Okay, adding, fine. Adding both the equation, what we will get, 49 plus 57x, it will 9 plus 7 6 is 10x, 106y is equal to 224, 7 plus 4y 12, 424, okay. Now to simplify this, divide by 106x, you will get x minus y is equal to 106, 4 is 424. Let this equation be equation number 3. And what is our next step? Next step is we have to subtract. Subtract means see, anything you can take, but it is better if you take a bigger number first. So I will write 7x minus 49y is equal to 252, and 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. So what we have to do? We have to subtract now, okay. Subtract, you know the sign will change, it will become plus, this will become minus. So 57 minus 49, you will get 8x, here it is plus sign, that is 8y plus sign, because 57 is a bigger number, 49 is a smaller number, okay. 80y is equal to, here you will get 2 minus 2 0, 15 minus 7 you will get 80. So divide by 8, to simplify you will get x plus y is equal to 10. This will be your equation number 4. So we have got two equation, equation number 3, equation number 4. What we have to do? We have to add equation number 3 and equation number 4. What we will get? X minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. Simple, plus y minus will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 divided by 2, x is equal to 7. Substitute in any equation, substitute in equation 3, will get x minus y is equal to 4, 7 in place of x minus y is equal to 4. If I bring 4 this side, 7 minus 4 and y that side, it will become positive. You will get 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So, y is equal to 3. Therefore, what are the two solutions of the equation? 7 and 3. 7, 3 are the solutions. Hope whatever I taught today, that is practice set 1.1, you are able to understand. If so, अगर आपको जो भी मैंने सिखाया अच्छे से समझ में आया तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करो और मेरा नेक्स्ट वीडियो जल्द से देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.